Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. Showing you a quick tip on how to refill, or how I do a refill a steel strimmer head. Okay, firstly it comes in three parts, 1, 2 and finally the adjustment nut 3. Okay, so what we're going to do now is fill this up. I've already cut enough wire off. You pop it in that little groove there, you should be able to see that. Make sure that's tight, put your finger on it and just pull it around like so, just like that. Or should I say it? That's why I didn't put my finger on it. There you go. Otherwise it just bounces out all the time. These videos are ad-lib, you know. Don't edit them at all. I should do, but I can't be bothered. So you just pull it around like that. You can see. Okay. That's why you've got to hold on to it or it just bounces around every time. Grip, 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 grip. Okay. Grip, round you go. Magic roundabout. You want enough steel string wire. This is the Oregon variety I'm using today. I'll show you anyway. Okay, it's this stuff I've been using, which is the Oregon. It's older than me, this stuff, so I don't know how old it is. About 20 years old, or whatever. So we've got our string line filled up. Okay, so you need to hold that in really tight. I'm just putting it in one direction because I can't be bothered to put it in two. Easy life. That's got to go in first. So firstly, grab the strimmer. That goes on first. Then what we've got to do is you've got to pop that in, that little grommet there. You'll notice if you pull it round, there's actually ways you can hold it on there, but I don't bother. I'm too lazy to be bothered. So put that on like that. Then there's your nut. And when you push it in, really push it in tight, otherwise it won't bed in. You can see that now. Okay, turn it around all the way, and that's it. You go guys. So that's it, simple as that. Easy peasy. Anyway, as I say, that should last you quite a few. If you're just doing a normal garden, that should last you a couple of months, but if you're a professional, probably have every day. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you like this sort of thing, why not subscribe, and we'll see you again. Thanks for watching.